We're going to have building heat here right through the weekend. Ridge building in the jet stream allows all the heat and humidity from in parts of the Midwest where we've already been seeing some excessive heat. Well, that is going to be expanding, and the AccuWeather real feels are going to make it feel like it's well over 100. I'll show you a couple of those in a moment, but excessive heat watches in effect. The darker red burgundy shading here into the Northeast, that's where we have some excessive heat watches. We even have excessive heat warnings in effect around Philadelphia and parts of New Jersey and northern Delaware. Because of this, the New York City mayor has declared a heat emergency through Sunday into the New York area. So cooling centers are located in libraries, community and senior centers. And also in Philadelphia, the Philadelphia mayor has declared a heat emergency through Sunday. Cooling centers there located in libraries, public pools, community and senior centers. So on Friday, our real feel, our AccuWeather real feel temperatures around the D.C. area down into parts of Virginia, it's going to feel like it's about 105 to 110 degrees. We also could see some records challenged many locations here into the Northeast. In Richmond, 98's the forecast for Saturday. The record's 103. So you're 5 degrees shy of that, but it's definitely going to be a hot one for you. In Newark, the forecast 95. The record was 101. We're getting closer. And on Saturday, we've got the dangerous heat continuing when you factor in the sunshine, heat, and humidity. Many locations in the Northeast, coastal Northeast, are going to feel like it's about 105 to 110 degrees.